Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It is Friday, September 5th. This is our weekly recap. You want to join us? Link in the description below. We'd love to have you in our trading room and group. It's been a very good week for us here in the markets. It wasn't the easiest week, but it's been a good week. And let's talk about what's going on. The SPY, after that big sell-off last Friday, got followed through gap down on Monday, instantly reversed, and managed to close back on the 21-day. We've still only closed under the 21-day once since late April. This is a remarkable resiliency in this market. We had a jobs number today that was horrific, and the market went, yay! Why? Because the market's like, we're going to get more and more rate cuts. You know, um, eh, you know, careful what you wish for there. I mean, yes, we could use some rate cuts, but if the economy is coming down, you're cutting. If there's problems under the covers, it's not necessarily a good thing. So we opened at the all-time high. We sold off. We got under the 8-day. We didn't get to the 21-day, and we bounced there. And here we are. Overall, you see the red lines. We have this up upward channel here in the market. We continue to push up. So the SPY new all-time highs. The Qs didn't get there. The IWM rallied but couldn't hold. The Dow kind of same thing. The financials, which were so strong, had a very ugly candle. So, if you're looking for a warning sign in this market, this is one. The financials, which have been leading, that is a nasty, vicious, ugly candle there. You saw it on JP Morgan, on Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Bank of America, right? Ugly candles all around. Energy remains weak again now because OPEC is set to increase production. Bonds had a huge bounce today. Look at this 3-day move on bonds. They're piling into the thought that we're going to get at least a 0.50 rate cut now in September. We'll see. That's about 12 days away. The VIX, while it went up a little bit today, didn't spike all that much and not much going on there. So what was going on today? The semis, little gap up, but couldn't hold it. Avgo gapped up and never gave a long trade for it. Just came back in. NVIDIA weak off of Avgo there. Same thing with AMD, both weak off of Avgo today. AMD kissing that gap. The strength in this market today was Tesla. That's what we traded, made most of our money on. Tesla, Elon Musk gets up to a 1 trillion, that's trillion with a T, compensation package over the next 10 years from Tesla if he can meet his his levels. That is an ungodly thing. You had a gap and push, but we couldn't break out. Google put in a new all-time high today and is still holding strong. I'm no longer in Amazon calls. Took them out, but Amazon, tried to push, couldn't go today. Also, I'm sorry, I'm still in a couple of Amazon calls. Apologize. Sold more, have just a runner left. Walmart out of that, but for a profit. What else today, guys, was good today? Apple held in okay. Tried to push, couldn't go. Their events on Tuesday. Microsoft just absolutely wicked candle today, engulfed the last 11 days plus of action. Meta held in okay. Who am I forgetting here? That's important. We saw some of the bigger names like Palantir got massacred, but managing to close back above 150. And again, they keep coming for this market. They're not letting things break easy. Hood also tried to break. Look at this, right back up. They're not letting things go easy. Baba had a strong day, hoped nicely here. PDD also holding in just fine. Bottom line is this market's just holding in. It doesn't want to go anywhere easily, and we'll see what happens. But overall holding in. So I don't know if I'm gonna have time for charts this weekend or not. If I do, it'll be tomorrow. It'll be very quick. And if not, I will catch you guys on Monday morning, but I'll put a video out there for everybody. And hope you joined us. So everybody have a great one. First week of the NFL. Look forward to it. Catch you guys in the room bright and early on Monday morning.